Hey 4M, welcome to another week of spelling. So let's have a look at our focus this week. We are looking at the digraph E, so I-E, making the sound E, as in chief. What I'm looking for is you can explain what a digraph is. Remember, it's two letters making one sound. You can identify the other spelling options for this sound, and you can correctly spell a range of words which use I-E. So let's have a look at those other spelling options. So we have IE as in chief. And we often use a noun to help us remember the spelling choices. So IE as in chief. Here's the chief from Moana. We've got EA as in beach. That is the most common spelling choice for the E sound in words, okay? Our EE as in tree. EY as in key, and Y as in pony. There's also just the E graph. Today we're focusing on the digraphs. So when do we use it? It's a tricky one. One way of remembering IE is the rule I before E except after C. So that's when we're spelling words that have that E sound using I and E. Often people get the E and the I mixed up. Long E is spelled IE, so E is spelled IE in different common words. There's a rule that often helps, I before E except after C. We use this spelling choice in the middle of words. Okay, you're rarely going to see it at the end of words. The long E, as in EA for beach, is the most common sound, or the common spelling choice for this sound. And we're going to see that also in the middle of words. So that's what can make it a little bit tricky at times. You have to choose between some of these choices. The EE, making the long E, will always represent the long E sound. Okay, when you see EE together, it is always making the long E sound. It's usually in the middle of words and sometimes on the end. EY, spelling choice for long E, is not common in one syllable words. Really, key is the only one syllable word that you find EY in. You will see EY at the end of words in two syllable words. Valley, alley, galley, okay? EY can also represent other sounds, the same with EA, which also makes it tricky. English is a tricky language. And the graph Y, making E, is on the end of words, like in pony and happy, okay? So we're going to see EI in the middle of words, okay? After a C, when you hear the E sound, you use EI. So we're going to practice some of the spelling for these words. You are going to play a Kahoot today. So in your Padlet, you'll open up the Kahoot. Now it says to join the game, you need to enter a nickname. Please enter your full name. Yes, you can use an emoji, but you must have your full name. So if your name is Jamie Lee Lobey, you'll write Jamie Lee Lobey, not just Jamie. Particularly because we have multiple Nates, we have multiple Isabellas, we have multiple Toms, Sams, etc. You need to put your full name, please. And then you're going to play that. There's 10 questions. They're all multiple choice. You are choosing the correct spelling for the IE words to test your knowledge. And then after that, you are going to do your decoding and encoding. Now, a lot of you got this a little bit mucked up last week, so we're going to go through it again. So you're going to choose 6 words from this list here. Okay, 6 words. And your page looks like this. You've got the decoding and encoding up the top, and then you've got a prompt to put them into sentences. Lots of you didn't do that last week. Doesn't take long. Please do it. It's helping you practice your spelling. So when we decode and encode, we need to put only one sound in each box. Some of you are putting 2 letters like E, re together in one box. That's not making one sound. I can hear E, okay, in retrace. E, t, a, s. The only two letters that should go together are the s sound, which was CE, making that is the digraph. So let's practice that. Let's do the word belief. Belief. All right, here's my little table. I'm going to use my phoneme fist. B, E, U, E, F. So they're all graphs except for the IE, making the E sound. B, E, U, E. You can see there that I have only put IE together in the same sound box. All right, let's do another one. Let's do hygiene. H, I, J, E, N. H, I, J, E. And then the NE is also a digraph. Hygiene. All right, we'll do one more. Let's do shields. Phoneme fist. Sh, E, U, D. Shields. I know that sh is a digraph. Sh, E, U, D. Okay, so only one sound in each box. Sh is a digraph. We can't hear that s and the h. Okay, IE is a digraph. We can't hear that E and the E. It's a digraph. Two letters making one sound. We also put quadgraphs in there as well. So this is not an IE word, but say if the word is ledge. U, E, J. Okay, there's a trigraph, ledge. Okay, we can't hear the D, the G, and the E. It's a trigraph, three letters making one sound. So you're going to do your decoding and your encoding and then put your words into a sentence or a story. All of your words, 6 words you must do, okay? Practice spelling IE words as in chief. Great. And you will do this in your OneNote.